Suppose you flip a quarter 3 times. Is it possible to get exactly 50% heads? Well, 50% of 3 would be equal to 1.5 heads. Is that possible? Not possible. So the answer is no. And the reason why is because the sample space, which we'll abbreviate as SS, is you could either have in 3 tosses 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, or all 3 heads. But there's no way to get exactly 1.5 heads. So it's impossible in practice to get 50% when you flip a quarter 3 times. So what we're saying here is that you can't achieve in an experiment the theoretical probability, which is in this case 50%. So fact number 1 is the theoretical probability does not always equal experimental probability. And that's the point of this problem. Now, the second question, what does the law of large numbers say about the experiment of flipping a quarter many times? Tells us the relationship in general between theoretical and experimental probability, which is the following. As the number of flips or tosses of the quarter, as the number of flips of the quarter increases, what happens is the experimental probability approaches the theoretical probability. And this is true in general for any experiment. The law of large numbers states that as the number of trials increases, n, that the experimental probability gets closer and closer to the theoretical probability.